Why settle for a generic gift when you can create something truly special for your mom? In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your voice into a unique keepsake, complete with a custom message, a personal photo, and even a QR code linking to a special video message. It is easy and I will guide you through every step. Let's get started. The gift we are about to create is a metal wall art. I have already created a template you can easily customize with your own details on Zazzle. But when you finish this, you can transfer it into different products that you want. It's very easy. This design features the following personalization details: a QR code link, a photo, and a voice wave image, of course. So this seems very complicated, but as I said, it is so simple, and I will guide you step by step on how to create your own personalized feature in just a few minutes and present this unique one-of-a-kind gift for your mom in this Mother's Day. First, you need to create and capture your voice wave. Just record your heartfelt message using any voice recording app that display a voice wave. This could be a simply happy Mother's Day, mom, or I love you, mom, or any message you want to share to your mom. And then once you have recorded, take a screenshot of the voice wave to capture the visual representation of your message. If you want to have a clean look, you can remove the background of the wave using Adobe Express free background remover, or you can keep it as it is, it doesn't matter. If you are tech savvy, you can use a graphic editor software like Inkscape, like I am doing here. What it does is it will help you to change the color of the wave. To do that, I open Inkscape, new document, and import the image from my file and use the trace bitmap feature to trace, and this will trace the waves only and leave the background. And you can change the color to your desired color and export it to your computer. Then we will use this file later to change our template on Zazzle. Next, let's create a short mobile video to add an extra special touch. Open Canva and choose a vertical format. You can browse template under the design tab for inspiration or start from scratch. You can also upload your own video. Just click the upload button in Canva and add a video from your phone or computer. Use the upload button to add the voice that you have created earlier. If your message is long, simply stretch the page until you reach to the end of the audio, or add other pages to add more photos on the video. Otherwise, your audio will be cut by the length of your pages. Once you are happy with the design, listen to the message, click share, then under access, click the arrow and select anyone with the link. Finally, copy the link. The third step is we need to shorten the video link for a clear QR code. QR codes work best with a short link. So if your Canva link is too long, use a free link shortener like bit.ly or Teeny URL to make it easier to scan. Simply paste your URL link into one of these tools, generate a shorter version, and copy it and paste it on some documents so that you can use it later. The fourth step is you need to customize your gift on Zazzle. Now we have everything what we need to customize our product so that we can give one-of-a-kind gift for our mom in Mother's Day. Head over to Zazzle product page and click personalize. Here is where the magic happens. I have the link for this template in the description down below. So upload your mom's photo to make the gift more personal. Replace the voice wave image with the one you created earlier. Paste the short video link into the QR code section. Click done. Then Zazzle will update your design in real time. This is magic. The final step is you need to test and finalize your design. Before adding to cart, make sure everything looks perfect. Scan the QR code using your phone to ensure it works. If needed, make more edit changes, the background, color, border, or text using the Zazzle design tool. When you are happy with your design, click add to cart and get ready to gift something truly unique for your mom in this Mother's Day. And that's it. In just a few steps, you have created the Mother's Day gift that is heartfelt, personal, and one of a kind. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to create a unique gift for their loved ones. Thanks for watching, and happy designing, and thank you for supporting this small business.